Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, let's get started. So, right now, gold is trading at 1900 level. Here is the current market price of gold here, and as you can see, that I am in a 1 hour time frame. After this huge volatility in the market, after the ongoing craziness for the last couple of days, we can see that right now gold is trading in a narrow range here. When there was a sharp fall on gold day for yesterday, it took support around 1891 and bounced from there. After that, we were hoping that gold would go up and it would take resistance or it would face selling pressure around 1916 level. But before 1916, only around 1911, 1912, gold faced selling pressure and we saw reversal. So if we look at the chart of gold right now, then we can see that gold is trading in a range right now. Okay, overall the market is bearish. It means that overall sellers are dominating the market, but the present trend of gold is very much sideways. This is the present chart of gold in front of us. So the support zone of 1891 or 92 to 1890 is still a valid support for the market. If market comes down and reaches this level, there is a high chance that market will take support and try to bounce from there, because we do not have any event also coming up that will drive the market or that will bring volatility or craziness to the market. So as of now, we can hope that again 1890 to 92 will provide some support to the market. But as we all know that no level is permanent in the market, so as a result, confirmation is always important. Confirmation is the insurance of traders. So once market comes down to this level, 1890, 92 level, observe the market. If you see that market is trying to take support around this level, if you see market is forming hammer kind of a pattern or any good price rejection from below, will give us the confirmation that yes, 1890, 92 is valid. Okay, and then you can go for a buy position. But just make sure that there is no news in the market. Let's say there is sudden bearishness or selling pressure in the market. If you are seeing that market is forming huge red candles all of a sudden, in that case, the support of 1890, 92 may not be able to hold the market, because when market bounced from here, okay, we could not see the strength of the buyers. If you're new to the market, probably you will find it difficult to understand the psychology of the market or emotion of the market. But those who have been trading for a considerable period of time, you understand the psychology of the market, the emotion of the market. So if we judge the body language of this support zone here, so this time there is a possibility that market will break the support in case of a heavy sale. Previously, we were hoping that this level was good enough. Yes, the level provided support to the market, but this time we cannot be too sure if the selling is too high. Therefore, when the market is coming down to the support level, observe the market, then only take a decision. If you see market bouncing or reversing from here, you can definitely go for a buy position. And in case market breaks the support zone, then the next support, as I have already discussed yesterday, the next support will be 1894 level, and then extremely sorry, it's not 1894, it's 1884 level. Okay, the next support for gold will be 1884 and 1878 level. But keep in mind that both these support levels are not very strong enough. Under normal circumstances, if there is no news in the market, they will be able to provide support. But if there is a news in the market or volatility in the market, then they won't be able to provide support to the market. And in the form of resistance, 1916 to 1917 is still a valid resistance for the market. Okay, valid resistance for the market, and considering the present sideways nature of the chart of gold here, there is a good possibility that if market goes up, then market will face selling pressure and market will reverse. So if we see market reversing from this resistance zone, we can take a sell position. But again, I'm saying, my dear friends, do not take any blind position, because confirmation is always important. Confirmation is the only thing that will save you. Blindly placing orders will only lead you to losses. Sometimes you'll be making money, sometimes you'll be losing money. The main reason why professional traders make money is that they follow proper risk management and they mostly observe the market, that we retailers fail to do so. Okay, so if you see market reversing from the resistance zone, definitely you can take a sell position. But in case of a sudden bullishness in the market, obviously market will break it and you have nothing to do. If possible, try to avoid only. Okay, and before this level we have the yesterday's range of 1911 also. Okay, around 1911 or 1912 there is a possibility that market will face resistance again. We can see the 50 moving average is also providing resistance to the market. So overall, I'll say that if you really want to take sell position around 1911 1912 level, that's your personal opinion. Beginners, new traders, I'll suggest you that you should be avoiding taking a sell position around 1911 1912. The reason is that market is, as we all know, that gold is a very volatile asset. So it is better to trade on certain levels only where we have the confidence. Do we have the confidence regarding 1911 1912? No, not much. It's okay, but if you see that yes, there is a possibility of gold reversing from this level, okay, and if you want to take position, go for a small lot size or follow proper risk management by risking only 1% or 2% of your trading capital only. If you know to manage the risk, then you can go for it. Otherwise, it is not advisable also. 1911, 1912 is a minor resistance, so be careful. Okay. Overall sideways market. Therefore, we have trading opportunities on both the sides. Previously, it was trending market. Let's see how the gold reacts. So, my dear friends, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management and calculate the position accordingly. As I always say, do not be a gambler, be a trader, and never forget, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So, take the decision wisely and follow risk management, because any good trade setup may fail, any any analysis may fail. I can be wrong as well. So please protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.